Just want to do a quick video here showing these black grates, gutter grates. You can see they have really a pretty large hole, pretty large holes. So the question is, do these grates work? In my opinion, we'll go ahead and take a look at the proof. As you can see, they do not work very well. I mean, there's basically like an alien in there of sludge. Looks like some kind of creature. Just all that sludge buildup that goes through these holes. So those are all cleaned, but in my opinion, these gutter grates, the holes are too big, and gutter debris, the things that you don't want, just seeps through and sludges up your gutters. This is gutter cleaning, Daystar quality. You can find us on the websites GoDaystar.com and thedeckguy.com.